Assuming you're searching for Nexo cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of Nexo will go from now on. We will investigate the previous costs of Nexo and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Nexo is $115 and Nexo is right now positioned #105 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Nexo is 560,011 with a market cap of $644 to 25,653. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 445% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Nexo is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Nexo is down to nearly 10.99% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Nexo Value Expectation Mini Computer. Our Nexo Expectation Mini Computer utilizes progressed calculations and AI models examine a huge swath of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase opinion, to give an extensive forecast of Nexo. Just info your ideal time period and see the likely anticipated worth of Nexo. Our number cruncher will create a far-reaching rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. Look at the market capitalization of Nexo and other top digital forms of money with our natural instrument. Perceive how the complete worth of every digital currency's flowing stockpile piles facing others and gain bits of knowledge into the market elements. Select 2 digital currencies to analyze their market cap and imagine the outcomes. We foresee future Nexo cost expectations. Nexo estimate by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Nexo. We give our all to gather greatest authentic information for the Nexo coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Nexo market cap, Nexo volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Nexo Value Forecast Outline. The negative cost expectation for Nexo in 2025 is $233, with a likely high of $288. Long-haul examination proposes that Nexo cost might actually flood to $152 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $188 and $260. The typical extended cost for Nexo in 2030 is supposed to be $1463, with expected fluctuation somewhere in the range of $14.23 and $16.69. Nexo is determined to arrive at a typical cost of $806.67 toward the finish of 2040. The ongoing business sector cost of one Nexo is $115. Nexo Value Expectation 2024. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at least degree of $162 in 2024. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.84 with the typical cost of $168 all through 2024. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $233. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $288 with the typical exchanging cost of $239. Nexo Value Estimate for 2026. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $326 in 2026. The Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $406 with a typical exchanging cost of $338 all through 2026. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2027 the cost of Nexo is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $468. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $567 with the typical worth of $482. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2028 the cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at least degree of $660. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $798 with the typical exchanging cost of $680. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2029 the cost of Nexo is estimated to be at around a base worth of $9.70. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a limit of $11.50 with the typical exchanging worth of 9.97 in USD. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. Nexo cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $14.33 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $16.69 with the typical estimate cost of $14.63. Nexo Value Estimate 2031. Nexo cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $20.26 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $25.23 with the typical estimate cost of $20.85. Nexo Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at least worth of $29.85 in 2032. The Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $35.13 with the typical exchanging cost of $30.89 all through 2032. Nexo Value Expectation 2033. The cost of one Nexo is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $43.21 in 2033. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $51.94 with the typical cost of $44.44 all through 2033. Nexo Value Figure 2040. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key techniques for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto speculations. According to our Nexo cost forecast, the year 2040 can end with a greatest cost of $9.34, while the base value worth of a Nexo can be around $744.90 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $806.67 approximately. Nexo Value Estimate for 2050. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or enterprises can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Nexo cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $1.88 and can reach as high as $1.260 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $1.152. Nexo Value Figure Facts. What is the Nexo cost today? Today, Nexo is exchanging at $1.15 with the market cap of $644.25, $653,000. What amount will Nexo be worth in 2030? As far as value, Nexo has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It is estimated that Nexo will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Nexo can stir things up